What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, we're going to talk about if you have a Samsung device and you returned it or traded it in or anything along those lines, and Samsung is denying or saying something is opposite of what you sent them, have it be because it's destroyed or missing from the box, or the box was never received, or something was just completely wrong versus what you said. I'm going to give you some helpful hints to save your butt. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so the first step is get out your phone and record what you're doing. I wrote a bunch of things, so I'll just read it. Basically, record the device and the condition of it. So if you're returning a phone, trading in a phone, whatever you're doing with that phone or device or computer, whatever it is, record it, show it off, show that it's working, show that it's off. If it's a phone or a tablet, show that it's been reset and that they can take hold of it, so that they can't come back and be like, you know what, you never reset the phone. You'd be like, yeah, I did, here's the recording. And during that same recording, don't cut at all. That way they can't be like, look, you cut. Don't cut the recording at all. And what you're gonna do is record yourself boxing the item up as well. So put in all the necessary items inside that are needed. Also, very protective inside. You know, make sure it's wrapped in cellophane and it's got bubble stuff everywhere so that it's super protected. Make sure that's there. And then also record yourself just even taping the box up and adding the label to it. So again, they can't be like, hey, you did this, you know, there's stuff missing, it's broken, it's whatever the issue is. It's not the same device that you said was going in there. And then another major thing is record yourself actually dropping it off at a drop-off location. I wouldn't say put it in one of those drop-off boxes. Literally give it to a human being at a FedEx location or a UPS location or some kind of authorized location that takes drop-offs for packages. And when you're doing it, show the exact box. Make sure you put the tamper-proof tape on the box as well. So if it is open, that stuff will show that it's been open. It's not just gonna be taped up, it's gonna be tamper-proof tape on there, and have all of this recorded, handed it off, boxed up, everything on there, so you're saving your butt. Also, when you're dropping it off, get a receipt showing that you dropped it off with the tracking number on it and everything. Also, make sure you take a picture of the tracking number and the label and all that so that you have it on there for easy access, so you can pull it up on your phone and be like, yeah, what's going on with this tracking number? You can easily follow it. The next step is if you're having the issue now with Samsung where they're like, hey, we received your package and it doesn't live up to the standards that we said, or it's missing, or it's been opened up, or the box never arrived, you have all of this backup to show you to track it. So you can check the tracking number. Was it delivered? Who signed for it? All of that. And then you also have the video. So when you call into them, you're gonna be like, hey, what's the issue? They're gonna tell you the issue, and you can be like, I have recordings of this that I would gladly send you, showing that all of this stuff has been securely given to you, and it was working, and it's been erased, and it's in proper condition, and the box arrived to you guys. Like, whatever backup you have to show them, that's gonna work into your advantage. If they still say, I don't care, you owe us, or it's not what you said it was, ask them to show you a video of them unboxing it, because they're supposed to have video on their side as well, showing what's going on, and they're able to show that to you with photos and videos. So you want to back it up and compare it to what you sent versus what they're actually doing with the item. And then if worse comes to worse, they still won't accept what you sent in your videos backup, and what they have looks different or the same as what you sent, and they still won't accept what you sent, the best cost of action is to either call multiple people, customer service agents, because like anything in life, you probably get, if you call any customer service place, you might get 4 different answers or 4 slightly different answers from 4 different people. So you never know what those people are gonna say. One person might be like, you know what, you're right, and we're going to approve what you said you did, and we're gonna take away our claim that it wasn't that way. So you wanna make sure that you're really gonna, you don't have to fight this potentially, pretty much so. So you definitely want to have all your backup. You want to go in there with, you know, everything that you can throw at them so that they can't deny your claim. So hope there you go. If there's anything I missed, put it in the comments down below, share that information. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.